Quality is phenomenal. That is such an important thing in a good instrument and so hard to find that. It's just that tone that just keeps on going, it keeps on being above everything else, which is very controllable with this instrument, which is phenomenal. It can get super soft. And yet it has all the power that you also would like to have in a big grand piano. So yeah, it's one of those things that has it all. Really nice light action. Dynamic range is just phenomenal.
This is perfect, I don't know, there's just something about pianos that you can play anything on them, but there's certain type of stylistic music that just fits them. It just makes me want to play more of that.
Okay.
And I play, all kinds of styles of music.
Sure.
And I find that kind of, and this may be for me, but I find that certain instruments kind of bring out a certain stylistic,
Sure.
vibe. And so that's kind of what I get out of this. When I go to,
That fits.
that fits. That feels really good if I play. Instruments have their own voices, so you can tweak it so much, but it's still gonna want to speak it just has a happy voice, a fun voice.